at a time we scored that huge deal with China, whether the Chinese live up to that or not. So they are looking at the half full glass, and that's the way it is today. AGF Chief U.S. Policy Strategist Greg Valliere, Walser Wealth Management CEO Rebecca Walser. So Greg, to you on this, it does raise issues, as the judge pointed out. You just can't just knock them off to the side and wrap it up quickly here. It's going to be a tougher argument to make in light of all these developments, isn't it?
It could drag on for quite a while, Neil. Absolutely. I still think it's really unlikely you're going to get 20 Republican defectors to vote to convict Trump. I think that's still very, very unlikely. But I do think there will be witnesses.
So when you say witnesses, that does extend it. They may not be appearing on live TV. They might give depositions behind closed doors. I believe in the Clinton case, they would then have the senators quoting from those depositions, but there would be depositions from which to quote, right?
Yes. I think the fallback for Republicans is going to be that maybe there is some damaging stuff, maybe the president didn't act properly, but this does not rise to the level of high crimes and misdemeanors. That's the bar that I think the Democrats can't clear.
So, Rebecca, I always look at things through the prism of the markets as far as a take on what they think will happen. And I think the markets have probably concluded, as Greg has concluded here, that this president is not going to be impeached, with all of these revelations notwithstanding. But neither is it going to be a quick impeachment trial in the Senate. And I don't know, you know far better than I, have they factored that possibility in?
You know, Neil, I don't think so. I don't think that we are factoring in right now a very long, protracted through May for all the witnesses that the judge basically said they could call. I don't think the market wants to see that. I don't want to see that, you know, especially when you've got Brexit at the end of this month. We just had China yesterday, USMCA today. I mean, it's just, you couldn't structure this stuff if you tried to get it all done in the, 2 days in the second week of January. It's just not even possible. You've got Brexit happening. That's going to open up potential trade for us and bilaterally with the UK, which will be phenomenal. So no, I don't think the market right now, I think the market is discounting it because they think that it's going to be swiftly dealt with, and I don't see a protracted trial.
All right. That's what they're hoping, clearly. We'll see what happens. Guys, I want to thank you. I apologize for the abbreviated nature of this with the ongoing hearings.